To perform this work, you will first need to remove the master cylinder, and upon completion, you will need to bleed the brakes, including activating the ABS system with a scan tool. Do not attempt to drive the vehicle until you have completely bled the brakes. In order to gain access to the linkage that connects the brake pedal to the booster actuator, you need to remove the alarm horn, purple arrow. The upper right insert photo shows the vacuum hose plug that connects the engine vacuum line to the booster. Tug on this gently to remove it from the booster housing. Use a set of wrenches to loosen the connection between the booster actuator and the pedal cluster rod. This photo shows an early 2000 Boxster. Later cars have a booster with a longer bellows. The photo in the upper right shows the booster and the pedal cluster disconnected. In the upper left is shown the pedal cluster rod that must be changed if the booster is replaced with a newer style one. This photo shows what needs to be disconnected in order to remove the ABS control unit. Using a flared nut wrench, disconnect the main brake lines, yellow arrow. Then release the ABS electrical connection by pulling the connector release handle in the direction of the red arrows. Finally, unbolt the ABS unit from its bracket, purple arrow, showing one of the mounting points. Shown here is the front trunk with the master cylinder and the ABS control unit removed. At this point, the bolts that hold the booster to the firewall have been removed and the unit is ready to be removed from the car. The photo in the lower right shows the ABS control unit mounting bracket, which needs to be removed so that you have enough clearance to pull the booster out. Remove the nuts, yellow arrows. Here's the new booster and a master cylinder installed. At this point, simply remove the protective caps from all of the openings. Install the ABS unit, reconnect the vacuum line, and reconnect the brake lines. Do not forget to bleed the entire brake and clutch system. Do not forget you will need to activate the ABS system to clear the air from the ABS actuator motor. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.